What's up, Bafflers? James over here, and yep, it's looking quite Christmassy at the moment. Yeah, this is just a short video because I haven't uploaded in a while, sorry about that, but I've got loads of new uploads ready to go. Today we went out and tried out this, I don't even know what you call it. It's ready out of the box. Yeah, the planning on this video is not that great, but it's basically a Nerf dog gun. So it fires the tennis balls out, and you don't really have to do anything. You can just sort of just stand there, which is great, really. Hello, Oscar. Hello. Merry Christmas, Oski. Yeah, we have lots of. Oscar doesn't want to. Fair enough. So yeah, roll the clip.
Oscar, what's this? What's this? Oski? Oscar. I didn't even see it. Good boy. You got it that time. Clever boy, Oski. I was confused because my arm doesn't move when I'm firing it, so he's sort of. Yeah, he's waiting for you to actually move.
If you like Oscar and you like this video, don't forget to smash that like button. Oscar just smashed the like button. And also, if you want to stay up to date with the latest videos, don't forget to ding the bell icon for post notifications and subscribe for future videos. Thanks for watching and have a Merry Christmas.